Selling digital products online in Nigeria and anywhere in the world is one of the easiest ways to earn money online, especially like ebook and courses. But the major challenge is usually how to promote it, especially if you don't have a YouTube channel, a large YouTube channel, or you don't have a community or a social media audience. How do you promote it? Another thing is, what if you don't have the money to run paid adverts on Facebook and YouTube? How are you going to do it? Well, in this video, I want to show you how you can use Facebook Marketplace to promote your digital products, and then you can still get sales without having to spend money on paid ads. But a quick warning here, I am not giving you any guarantees on this video. I'm only sharing this information, and this is only for information purposes. So therefore, I encourage you to make your due diligence first before you take anything I'm sharing with you here. But I'm not giving any guarantee or any promises. Okay, this is so that YouTube will not misinterpret this video. Now, the first thing is you want to make sure that your digital product is available, your ebook or your course is available. As you can see, this is Facebook Marketplace. Now, if I click on this category now, if I go down here and then I will search for books, okay, let's search for books here. Let's come here and then search for books, okay, or I can just come here. What do you want to buy? I can just come here and search for it. Let's put it here. I can say books, for example. Now you're going to see different books that people are selling here. Okay, you're going to see different books that people are selling. So this is to tell you that people are selling digital products here. You're going to see all of these things. People are selling it. They are selling the one for 6,000, just like that. You're going to see all that here. Okay, that means you can also sell your own. And the most important thing is your title and, of course, your description. That's what is going to sell your book. Okay, which I'm going to guide you here. So now let's go back. So the step one is make sure that your digital product, your ebook is ready, okay, or your course is ready, depending on what you want to sell. So after that, click on this where it says sell. Now, click on items. When you click on items, it's going to take you down to the listing page. We're going to put in your listing. Now, the first thing is add photo, because that's the first thing people are going to see before they would even click. In fact, it's your image that is going to help people really click on your book or on your digital products, the photo you're using. So if you don't have a good photo, please go to Grok and develop a good photo for that particular thing you want to sell. So I'm going to add this one here. I have an ebook that I have been selling on Seller, but I want to bring it down here to Facebook. Now the ebook is on how I make money daily with some websites, free website. They are all free website, but I don't share it publicly. So if you also want that kind of stuff, check the comment section. You would see a link there. Okay, now you can get that book as well. It's going to help you as well. It's something that helps me. Anytime I feel broke, I just go to this website and perform some tasks and I earn, right? And I withdraw. So that's how it is. So you can also get it so that it will help you in case you are broke now and you need something that is going to quickly just give you some, help you pay some bills. So now I'm going to put the image here. I will just click on pictures. Now I will go down to downloads. That's where the image is, not here. Downloads. Where is download? Download here. So I will look for it right here. Okay, so this is it here. I will select two pictures of it and I'll say next. Now those are the two pictures of the ebook. Now the name of the ebook is from salary to stability, step-by-step guide. From salary salary to stability, then step-by-step guide, step by step, okay, step-by-step guide. Okay, so now the title is here. Now remember, like I said earlier, that your title and your photo are the major reason why people are going to click. In fact, that's the first thing that they will even want to make them to click. So you want to make sure that you have a good title and a good photo or image. Now the price here, I'm going to place this in here. This is just going to be according to this image. This price is 1,999. That's approximately 2,000 naira. Now it's in the categories of book, so you can click on it. You're gonna see, click on that category. You're gonna see entertainment. You will see books, movies, and the rest. Just click on This then condition is new. That's going to be the condition. Now, this is what is going to make them want to buy your products, your digital products. The description, that is your sales page. Now, how do you get it? Don't just write anything here. I will encourage you to write anything and anything now. You have to take your time to craft it. But if you don't, use ChatGPT to write the sales page for you. Okay, tell ChatGPT about your product. It's going to write the sales page for you, because this is what is going to either make people want to buy or not. First thing is your title and your image, your photo is what is going to make them to want to open it. Now, after they open it, what is going to make them to want to make payments, make to buy your products? It's the description, the sales page. So I have a sales page of this ebook. Let me go to seller and copy it. This is the sales page here, and this sales page has been doing awesomely well. Okay, it's been doing awesomely well. So I'm going to just copy this here. I don't know if this text is too much, but I'm just going to copy everything. I'll go back to my listing page and I'll post this. So now, I think, yeah. So I'm going to now edit some things here, which is the pricing here. Okay, let's see. Description. Most ebook tells you start. Okay, this is this one shows you no flops, blah blah blah. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, but it looks like this is not the beginning. So I'm going to go back here and check, because this is not the beginning of my sales page. So I'm just going to select this and then say I will select all, and then let's see now. I'll copy now. Okay, then I'll come back here and paste it. Let's see here. So I'll paste this one here, right? Let's see. Okay, now it starts from here. Now it starts from the distance. Okay, so I'm going to the Niger Quick Cash Blueprint. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to change this title. Okay, I'm going to change this title here. I'll change it to exactly this. So I'll copy this here, and then I'll come back here and change this here. Okay, this is going to be the title now. The Niger Quick Cash Blueprint. Yeah, that is going to be the this. So what I'm going to do after this video, I'll come back and then also edit this. Okay, I'll edit this particular image so that it will fit exactly what I'm doing here. Right now, after you are done with everything, after you are done here with the description, which is one of the most important things. Okay, now you're going to see this place that says auto reply to availability message. Now this one is if people want to buy this, they will message you. They will send you a message on Facebook Messenger, so you can auto reply them. Just turn on this. Okay, once you turn it on, you're going to see it will say continue auto reply with Meta AI. Yes, I still have it. Want more? You can edit this message here. Okay, you can edit this message here. Yes, I still have it. Now all you need to do is just you can now put the link to where they're going to buy it. Or if you don't want them, if you don't want to put a link, you can just simply put in your account details here, and then they will be able to send you, once they make payment, you tell them to send you a screenshot of their payment, and then you can send them the link to buy the ebook. That's how you can run it. Now you can on this. Then afterwards, you can also you're gonna see this part says hide from friends. If you don't want your friends on Facebook to see this, you can simply hide it here. Okay. Now you're gonna see list in more places. You can see more places where you can list your products. See the places you can list your product here, so that people can actually see it. So you can join this group to list your products in all of these groups. Now this will help expose your this thing, like it will get you more people, right? So you can join some of these things. Now you're going to see additional listing options. If you click on this, you're going to see additional listing options and the rest. Okay, now let's go to the next here. Okay, so we'll go to next. If you click on next now, you're almost okay, a recent group this thing. So now all I need to do here is just click on, you can now join all of these things to publish. Now all you need to do is just click on publish, and once you publish it, your book is going to be in review. And once your book is in review, you would see a place. Okay, let me go back here. I'm going to discard this now. I will discard this. I'll discard this here. Okay, so now you would see a place, you will see a place that says pending. You'll see your active listings. You just scroll down, you'll see active listing, and then you can see where your review, listen to renew. Now you're going to see a place where you can have your review. Now at the top here, you would also see a place that's telling you that your item is in review and they will get back to you. Yeah, so that's how you can sell your digital product on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so I believe you got value with this. And I believe that if you practice this with consistency, with the right approach, you're going to actually get some result.